नमस्कार। बोर्ड एग्जाम 2020 क्लास 10 मैथमेटिक्स, आइए डिस्कस करते हैं सेट 2 के सॉल्यूशंस के बारे में। मैं यहाँ पर केवल उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करूंगा जो सेट 1 में डिस्कस नहीं हुए थे, तो बाकी क्वेश्चंस के लिए आप सेट 1 का सॉल्यूशन देख सकते हैं। Here two zeros are given to us and degree of polynomial we have to find. Since there are two zeros, therefore degree of polynomial has to be 2. Hence we will write 2. Option A is correct. In 15th question, we have to find the simplest form of the given expression. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A and 1 plus cot square A is cosec square A. They are reciprocal to each other. They will cancel and 1 will come. 19th question, it is given that 2 sec 30 and tan 60 degree. When we put the value, root 3 cancel and we get the answer 4. In 26th question, a plus b plus c is 180. Dividing by 2 we get this, and shifting on both sides we can get cot theta. So cot 90 minus theta becomes tan theta and the expression is proved. We have to prove cot theta. Here the LHS, we can take cos theta common in the numerator and sin theta common in the denominator. Cos upon sin becomes cot theta, and the remaining two expression we will simplify further. We change the denominator only. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, and on simplification the two terms become same. In 31st question, Euclid division algorithm we have to use to find the largest number which divided 870 and 258, leaves remainder 3 in each case. So when we apply the Euclid division lemma in it, first of all we have to subtract 3 from both the numbers. Hence we get 867 and 255. By applying Euclid division lemma, first we need to do the division, actual division, and hence we get 51 as HCF. Later we write this in Euclid division lemma, and at last when the remainder comes 0, we get HCF is equal to 51. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree. We have to find the height of the tower. In this question, the height of the tower is h, which we have to find. 45 degree and 60 degree are two angles given, and this x we will assume. In triangle BCD, we see that tan 45 becomes b upon b. On putting the value, we get 1 is equal to 20 by x, and hence x is equal to 20. In triangle ACD, tan 60 is equal to h plus 20 upon x, and on simplification, we get h is equal to 14.6 meters. 39th question is of Pythagoras theorem, which is already there in the textbook. You can see from there. आइए अब सेट 3 के डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करते हैं, और रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस के लिए आप सेट 1 देख सकते हैं। यहाँ हम सेट 3 के उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं जो डिफरेंट हैं। 7th क्वेश्चन, यहाँ पर डी इज पैरेलल टू बी सी गिवन है। ए डी अपॉन डी बी is equal to 3 by 2, AE is equal to 2.7 centimeter, and EC we have to find. Now by using BPT we get AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. On putting the values, we get EC is equal to 1.8 centimeter. 12th question, we are given that PE is equal to 0.023. So PE bar is equal to 1 minus PE. This is probability of complement event. And when we subtract this value from 1, we get 0.977. In 16th question, sin square 30 plus cos square 60 is there. We know sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and cos 60 is also 1 upon 2. On putting the values and simplification, we get the total answer as 1 upon 2. Now in 21st question, we are given two figures. First one is a cone and second one is a cylinder. In this cone, radius is given r. The same radius is of cylinder also. And the height of cone is given 3 times that of cylinder. Now volume of cone, when we apply the formula and simplify, it becomes pi r square h. Now volume of cylinder becomes pi r square h by the formula only. See, both the values are same, therefore ratio of their volumes becomes 1:1. In 24th question, here given that PQ is parallel to BC and PR is parallel to CD, we have to prove that QB upon AQ is equal to DR upon AR. When we apply BPT in triangle ABC, we see that PQ and BC are parallel. So QB upon AQ is equal to PC upon AP. This is equation 1. Again, by applying BPT in triangle ADC, we see that PR and CD are parallel. So PC upon AP is equal to DR upon AR. From the two equations, we can see that these two terms are equal. Therefore, these two terms are also equal. Hence, QB upon AQ is equal to DR upon AR. In 27th question, we are given this expression. Now see clearly, sin to the power 4 theta minus cos to the power 4 theta. Here we can apply the formula of a square minus b square. Now it becomes a plus b into a minus b. And sin square plus cos square theta is 1. Now we see that 1 minus cos square theta can become sin square theta. So we have 2 sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta into cosec square theta gives us the value 2. In 28th question, it is a question of AP. We are given that L minus 230, common difference D, we can see clearly it is minus 3, first term is minus 5. Now we have to find the sum of n terms of this series. First we apply the formula of L, that is n term formula, and on applying this formula we get this expression. Now when we simplify this expression, we can easily get n is equal to 76. We know the formula of Sn, it is equal to n by 2 a plus L. We apply the formula, put the value, and we get minus 893. In this question, a parallelogram ABCD is given. The side AB is 12 cm and on this side one semicircle is drawn. We can see since diameter AB becomes 12, so radius of the semicircle is 6 cm, and hence OD is also 6 cm. Now area of the shaded region can be equal to area of the parallelogram ABCD minus area of quadrant ODBO. When we put the value, it becomes 43.74 centimeters square. In this question, 900 spherical balls are immersed in this cylindrical tank, and height of the water level is increased. When we see the volume of one spherical ball, it is 4 upon 3 pi 0.5 to the power 3. Volume of 9,000 spherical balls is equal to multiply the same value multiply by 9,000. Since we know the Archimedes principle, therefore according to that Archimedes principle and according to the given information in the question, the volume of 9,000 spherical balls is equal to volume of water rising in the cylinder. On solving we get h is equal to 15. Last,
अगर आपको मेरा एफर्ट पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए ताकि मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट इसका फ़ायदा उठा सकें। धन्यवाद।